Hi guys, just sorting out the pheasant barn where there's quite a few chickens at the moment. There is Naomi, who was attacked by a dog yesterday. I'm not sure how she's still alive, but she is. We've got some random little black chickens, which are crossbreeds from a few of ours. But what I'm doing right now is we're cutting down a tree in the garden, and it's going to go here in this corner, and I'm setting this corner up so it's a bit more friendly for the pheasants, because I need to get this barn cleared out. All of this straw in here, it needs clearing out. The ground needs to air. So my plan is, if I put something a bit more enticing up here for the pheasants, that hopefully the golden pheasants will go here, the chickens will be okay, it won't be a problem, and they'll just go and hide in the tree that's going here. It's only a little tree, but they like trees, so hopefully they'll hide in the little tree so that we can actually get the tractor in and get all of this emptied next week. Hi Hilda. Hi. She's a short-legged Scots dumpy, and that's one of her chicks. Well, she only had one chick hatch. She got bored of the others, as often happens. Hey Naomi. There's Naomi with her two chicks. Whoop, they're two little ones in the middle now. And the other two black ones are a few months old, and they're ones that we collected the eggs from and got some friends to hatch for us. The next week, Saturday I think it is, I'm picking up some more rescue hens, ex-production hens. They'll probably be in a bit of a state, poor things.